Good day, everyone. So today, we're about to present our proposed project. So, let's get started. As you can see on the visual above are the elements in participatory planning. We have objectives, boundaries, location, target beneficiaries, duration, budget, and methodology, including introduction and a conclusion of this community project. At this point, let me introduce to you our project entitled Library for All, Pre-Use of Books, Computers, and Internet. Today's problem, we are facing the lack of knowledge that every student gets because of the new normal education caused by the pandemic. We, as the concerned citizens of this community, decided to create a project that can able to help to lessen the problem of our community when it comes to education. The goal of this project is to determine essential elements for success in processes of participatory planning. This project is the result of an investigation into the main factors for the success of the students in our community. We voluntarily built an organization where you can able to study for free as long as you want. It can be learning on the go to those who want to learn and borrow learning materials for free.
These projects aims to help the students who are not able to buy their own books nor avail computer and internet services that will support their studies. It also aims to provide a good and proper place to study for the student who do not have a proper study place. In addition, this project's main objective is to make a huge difference in a simple way of helping the students that could be the good future of the society.
This community project mainly focuses on the topic, Library for All, pre-use of books, computer, and internet. This study will be conducted in 14 barangays of Navotas City: Bagong Bayan, North and South; Bangkulase, Daang Hare, Navotas East and West; North Bay Boulevard, North and South; San Jose, San Rafael Village, San Roque, Sipak Almacen, Tangos, and Tansa. This community project has no student option. Everyone can use this project. Each barangay has schedule and time limit for using this library to avoid overcrowding.
Our community project, which is the Library for All, can locate in Sipak Almacen of Navotas City, because we know that there's a myriad of children there that willing to read, and it's near from the school, so that it's much convenient for students to find or do their assignments. And the environment there is clean, good, and silent, so that they can read properly.
This project will benefit all the students who are in need when it comes to education, but their problem is where they can get free accommodation for their school needs. In addition, having a library is a huge benefit because it helps to shape the minds of the students.
Our Library for All is open from Monday to Saturday, and we are open from 8 in the morning until 5 in the afternoon. We will only limit the student who can enter the library to control and monitor the students. Every student has only 2 hours in the library to avoid overcrowding and to have a social distancing. And every student has only 1 hour to use the computer, where another student can use it as well.
This project helps a lot in the Navotas area and many barangays. The community project will give hope to those in need, especially the students who cannot afford to access the computer. With this project, many people can help and give a chance to everyone to access books and computers for free.
We conduct this study in 14 barangays of the city of Navotas. Many of the students here are scholars who come up with this idea of community service in which students will be having free access to books and computers for their studies. We suggest that the perfect location for the proposal is in Sipak Almacen, where lots of citizens go there. Library for All will need the approval of the Mayor of Labatas before opening from Monday to Saturday from 8 a.m. until 5 p.m.
Successful participatory planning will help to identify the weaknesses of the community and transform them into strengths. By the new normal education, we as the concerned citizens of the city decided to build this project with the support of the local government. Community members, especially the students, will benefit from this project. This project should be located at Sipak Almacen, where lots of citizens and so as students. It is also open from Monday to Saturday at 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. We voluntarily be in charge to take care of the said project entitled Library for All, free use of books, computers, and internet.
I'm Laimay Gulagbang.
I am Timothy Digia Delpin.
I am Casey Jem Espiritu.
I am Jeneline Princess Tarantino.
Hi, my name is Federico S. Goli Jr.
My name is Aladdin M. Iyo.
And I am Jonathan De Guzman, and we are the Group 2.